Hi, I'm Chris with Comcast. Today we're going to read a fun book about an otter named Bernard who loves living in the zoo, but what he really loves is nap time. Stop Snoring, Bernard by Zachariah Ohora. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. Snore. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. How do you think that made Bernard feel? What do you think he's going to do next? Let's keep reading to find out. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked-away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. Snore, snore, snore. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard! Bernard! The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night, and now we are trying to sleep. So please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate, but then he heard something. It was the other otters. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles. "And I'm sorry," I yelled. "Please come back." And from that day on, everyone napped easily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. What a great story about how Bernard's friends were able to adapt to him being different. In the beginning, they were kind of mean to him because he was snoring, but in the end, they were able to accept his snoring because his friendship was important. Maybe next time you have a child in your friend group who's different, you can accept him and make everybody have a good time.